Do we really need an understanding about a DSA, data structure algorithm, even in a field of AI? So the answer is yes, we do need it. If I'm a fresher or if I'm trying to apply for product-based companies, so obviously I need a DSA. Without DSA, I will not be able to crack most of the company which is out there. So even if I'm going to apply for a AI industry, so whether I'm going to apply for a machine learning or deep learning, computer vision, or maybe agentic AI or generative AI, NLP, whatever field in which I'm going to apply, obviously people are going to ask me about a DSA, and this is where a lot of my student was raising a demand for this particular course that I'm going to introduce in front of all of you. So here is a new course, guys, that you all will be able to see, Python with data structure and algorithm. And I have decided that to launch this course in a Hindi as well as in a English mode. So this course which I am going to launch for all of you, so this course will be available in a hybrid mode basically. So here in a scheduled fashion, I am going to release the entire video one by one, and it is going to start from 5th of May 2025. So very soon it is going to start. Just 3 days left, I believe, to start this particular course. And here, so this course syllabus, if you'll go and check, so this is very huge that I have created, so that I'm not going to leave even a single concept with respect to a Python or with respect to data structure algorithm untouched. And that's the whole idea. That's the whole idea behind creating this entire course, so that because this is not a course which will get expired soon, I would say. So this is a kind of a course which is not having any kind of a timeline. So even after 3 years, even after 4 years, so if you have to do a preparation for maybe a Python or for maybe a data structure algorithm, you can refer the same course. And in that manner, I'm going to create a content for this particular course which I'm talking about. So obviously I'm going to start with a basic with inside this particular course, and here the things are very much clear. So I have given a date, so Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So in this manner the entire syllabus will be released. And if like we are going to prepare this syllabus little bit before, means a content little bit before, so even that content will be available on Euron platform, and even like most of the content will be available on YouTube, so that all of you will be able to access. But yeah, one thing is pretty much clear: all the documentation, all the quizzes, all the code bases, all the assignments, all the challenges, everything will be available inside your dashboard. Everything like a certification and assistance from a Yuri job portal, everything you will be able to access from a Euron portal. So we are not just selling you the courses, we are not just giving you the courses. As you all know that our Euron platform is technically known for like providing you a complete ecosystem, not just our courses, and that too in a very affordable price, and you can cancel it anytime you want, right? So let's suppose if you are going to learn each and everything in 2 to 3 months of timeline, so you don't have to pay extra. It's completely fine. You can try to like do maybe a cancellation of the subscription if you want. That's completely fine. So here, so we have a complete Python in depth, in detail. So just go through the syllabus, guys, and you will be able to find it out very amazing. Believe me, I'm not leaving anything inside this DSA. So whether you are the college student or whether you are a working professional who is willing to target a product-based companies, this is for you. Basically, this is for you, and this is available in Hindi as well as in English as a separate courses. And both I'm going to start with the same timeline. So both I'm going to start from 5th of like March. Personally, I'm recording each and everything in a step-by-step manner, so that people will be able to understand each and everything, and just name any kind of algorithm, name any kind of a concept that I have not mentioned inside this entire course. It will also help you out to solve almost every kind of a lead code problem. At least you can start from the beginner level, then you can try to move into the intermediate level, and then you can try to move into the advanced level as per the practice. But yeah, so I'm making sure that it is going to help you out in real time. It's not just a course that you have to go through, just go through the lectures. No, not at all. I'm not going to create any of my courses in that particular manner unless and until some practicality is not attached with my courses. So please go through the syllabus. I have already published this syllabus. I don't think that anyone is providing this kind of a syllabus in a market, and that too in a neat and clean way. So yeah, you can try to like refer to this particular syllabus of like DSA, Python with DSA. And please let me know if you have any kind of a comment, if you have any kind of a feedback. Hope all of you are going to enjoy it. And we are going to start it from 5th of this month. 5th of May month, we are going to start this particular course. And as per the schedule, each and everything will be available at your fingertips. And again, so you will be able to enjoy these courses inside our app as well. So in our Android device as well as inside our iOS devices. So here in a down, so footer side, so you will be able to find out a link. So you can try to come over here. You can try to download our app, Android app and iOS app, and that's completely fine. So with that, guys, see you again in my next video with a new announcement, or maybe with a new project, or maybe with the new concept. With that, thank you so much, everyone.